Welcome back. Most interesting apps will get data from the internet and display that data in the app UI. So that's exactly what I wanted to build with you in this walkthrough. We're going to build an app which retrieves data from the Yelp API and displays information about the restaurants and cafes in a UI that's similar to Yelp. So if you're not familiar with Yelp, it's a really great service which provides rating and review information about different businesses around you, everything from cafes to an electrician. So in this example, we are getting data out of the Yelp API in order to look at where are popular places to get avocado toast in New York. So you can see that the UI that's presented is similar to what the actual Yelp mobile app looks like, where we have an image for the restaurant, a name, a rating, address, and a distance from the location that we've specified, which is New York. So the app that we're building is deliberately very simple. It's only a single screen, so nothing happens if you actually tap on any of these. And that's because I really want to focus on the networking aspect and follow best practices using Retrofit so that you can really learn how to build apps like this. And the reason this is important is because so many apps are actually just variations of this very simple app. So to illustrate this, here's a guide from CodePath about mobile screen archetypes. And the idea here is that even though there are a bunch of different mobile apps out there, they really all boil down to 6 core screen archetypes. And in particular, the one that is probably the most important is something called a stream, which is exactly what we're building in this walkthrough. And the stream is focused on the primary content or data that a user consumes within the application. So if you think of almost all the most popular apps, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, really where users spend the bulk of their time is the feed, where you can see a bunch of different discrete data, for example, in Twitter. And if you want more information, you can tap in on one of these elements. But the idea of opening up the app, making a network request to get data, and displaying that data, that list of data, in the main screen is very common in a bunch of apps, which is why I want to go through it in this example. We're going to get started in the next video by talking about the Yelp API and how to get data out of it. If you have any questions, drop a comment and we can do some debugging together. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.